In this exercise, I'll again modify the category sales by year report to add an indicator showing the state of the annual sales amount for each category and year. I'll also customize the indicators to be more attractive in the report. Okay, I'll select the tablets here, right-click, insert column inside the group to the right to add a new column to hold the indicator. Come over to the toolbar, drag an indicator to that cell. And that opens up the Select Indicator Type dialog box. In this case, I want to use the 5 quarters because I want to display rankings of sales amounts. I'll click on OK, and that adds that to the report. So the way this works is that it shows one of those 5 quarters that were displayed in the dialog box, depending upon the value of the field that I'm going to associate with it. Okay, so I'll click there. That opens up the Gauge Data window there. And I'll select the drop-down box there and select Sales Amount. And once again, as usual, it uses by default the summation aggregation. All right, I'll preview the report. And there's that new indicator. Now, the effect of it is dampened a bit by being next to a data bar. But you can see that the indicator gives an indication of the strength of sales for a given year. All right, now, black isn't the most attractive color, so we can change that. I'll come back over into Design View, and I'll right-click on the indicator and select Indicator Properties. And I'll select the Value and States page from the list on the left side of the dialog box. This is the page where you can change the value expression, measurement units, and synchronization scope, as well as the value ranges, and the colors and the icon. So down here is where I want to change those colors. Now I'm just going to keep it real simple and change these colors from black to dark blue. I guess that's actually blue. And blue. Okay, and so you can see that the icon has changed colors. Now, if I really wanted the indicator to fit in with the report design, I could have selected more colors here and then gone in and selected the steel blue from the list of options. But that gets to be a little bit tedious. Just keep things simple. I'll click on OK, and there you can see that the color has changed. And by the way, you can also use expressions for most of the property settings for the indicator, as is the case with most objects within reporting services. That way, you can dynamically customize both the appearance and behavior of the indicators based on the data and other conditions when the user views the report. So I'll preview the report again. Takes a moment to refresh. And there you can see the different colors. Doesn't quite match the colors of the report, but that's okay in this case.